Think you know cell structure and function? Prove it. Your 20-question biology quiz start now. Question 1. Which of these is known as the powerhouse of the cell? A. Nucleus. B. Mitochondria. C. Ribosome. D. Golgi body. So the correct answer is mitochondria. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell which produces DNA. Question 2. What structure controls what enters and leaves the cell? A. Cytoplasm. B. Nucleus. C. Cell membrane. D. Ribosome. The correct answer is cell membrane. Cell membrane controls what goes in and out, maintaining internal balance. 3. Which of the following is found only in plant cell? A. Mitochondria. B. Nucleus. C. Cell wall. D. Ribosome. The correct answer is cell wall. Cell wall is the only one in plant cell. Plant cells have a rigged cell wall made of cellulose for structure and support. Question 4. What is the jelly-like substance in the cell called? A. Nucleoplasm. B. Cytoplasm. C. Protoplasm. D. Vacuole. So the correct answer is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm holds organelles and is the site for many metabolic reactions. Question 5. DNA is found in which part of the cell? A. Ribosome. B. Golgi apparatus. C. Nucleus. D. Mitochondria. So the correct answer is nucleus. Nucleus houses DNA and controls cell activities. Question 6. Which organelle is responsible for protein synthesis? A. Mitochondria. B. Vacuole. C. Plasma membrane. D. Ribosome. So the correct answer is ribosome. Ribosome are where amino acids are assembled into protein. Question 7. What gives plant cells their rigid shape? A. Cytoplasm. B. Cell wall. C. Nucleus. D. Protoplasm. The correct answer is cell wall. Cell wall gives plant cells their rigid shape and strength. Question 8. What is the basic unit of life? A. Organ. B. Cell. C. Tissue. D. Organelle. So the correct answer is cell. Cell is the basic unit of life. All living things are made up of cells. Question 9. Which of these is not found in animal cells? A. Nucleus. B. Chloroplast. C. Cytoplasm. D. Cell membrane. So the correct answer is chloroplast. Chloroplast is not found in animal cells. Question 10. Which organelle packages and transports material? A. Ribosome. B. Golgi body. C. Lysosome. D. Endoplasmic reticulum. So the correct answer is Golgi body. Golgi body packages and transports material. Question 11. The fluid in the nucleus is called A. Cytoplasm. B. Nucleoplasm. C. Protoplasm. D. Chloroplast. So the correct answer is nucleoplasm. It is the fluid in the nucleus. Question 12. What structure helps the cell divide? A. Centrioles. B. Ribosome. C. Mitochondria. D. Vacuole. So the correct answer is centrioles. They help organize chromosomes during mitosis. Question 13. Which of these is semi-permeable? A. Cell wall. B. Nucleus. C. Plasma membrane. D. Ribosome. So the correct answer is plasma membrane. Plasma membrane allows selective substances to pass in and out of the cell. Question 14. What does the lysosome contain? A. RNA. B. Digestive enzyme. C. Chlorophyll. D. Nucleus. So the correct answer is digestive enzyme. Lysosome contain digestive enzyme that break down worn-out organelles, food particles, and invading viruses or bacteria. Question 15. What is the function of chloroplast? A. Protein synthesis. B. Respiration. C. Photosynthesis. D. Digestion. So the correct answer is photosynthesis. Chloroplasts are found in plant cells. They contain chlorophyll, which captures sunlight to convert water and carbon dioxide into glucose during photosynthesis. Question 16. Vacuoles are larger in which cells? A. Animal cells. B. Bacteria. C. Plant cell. D. Fungi. So the correct answer is plant cell. Vacuoles store water, nutrients, and waste. In plant cells, they are much larger and help maintain cell rigidity, which supports the plant. Question 17. Which parts control cell activities? A. Cytoplasm. B. Nucleus. C. Ribosome. D. Mitochondria. So the correct answer is nucleus. The nucleus is often called the control center of the cell. It houses DNA and manages activities such as growth, metabolism, and reproduction. Question 18. Which of these is not an organelle? A. Ribosome. B. Nucleus. C. Cytoplasm. D. Mitochondria. So the correct answer is cytoplasm. While the cytoplasm holds organelles, it is not an organelle itself. It's jelly-like fluid where organelles are suspended and cellular process occur. Question 19. Who discovered cell? A. Robert Hooke. B. Louis Pasteur. C. Anthony van Leeuwenhoek. D. Isaac Newton. So the correct answer is Robert Hooke. In 1665, Robert Hooke used a microscope to examine cork and saw tiny box-like structures which he called cells. This was the first recorded observation of cells. Question 20. Which structure makes lipid in the cells? A. Smooth ER. B. Rough ER. C. Golgi body. D. Ribosome. So the correct answer is smooth ER. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for synthesizing lipid and detoxifying chemicals in the cell. It does not have ribosome on its surface, unlike the rough endoplasmic reticulum. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed the quiz and want more, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.